Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Monday, September 18th, 2023. If you're an individual affected by a layoff, or if you're a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now on to today's headlines. As a result of the massive historic strike against the big three automotive companies of Ford, GM, and Stellantis/Chrysler, those companies have been implementing temporary layoffs against non-striking workers as well. 600 workers at Ford's assembly plant in body construction integrated stamping were told not to report to work on Friday as the components they produce require e-coating, which is a measure completed by the paint department, which is on strike. Similarly, GM has said that a strike at the Wentzville Assembly in Missouri will cause 2,000 workers at their Fairfax plant in Kansas to be out of work by early next week. However, the ripple effects of the strike go far deeper than just the big three, as the entire automotive industry will feel the impact very soon. Already, CIE Nucor, a Tier 1 and Tier 2 auto supplier, announced late last week that they will temporarily lay off 293 workers across 3 plants for a month pending the strike at the Big Three. Right now, only workers at the GM Wentzville Assembly, Stellantis Toledo Assembly Complex, and Ford Michigan Assembly Plant, final assembly and paint only, are striking as of today, but the strike could grow if negotiations aren't productive. Hopefully, a mutually beneficial resolution arrives soon. In non-automotive news, Cisco has announced they will lay off over 350 workers across San Jose and Milipitas locations in the Bay Area by October 16th. Per notices sent to the California Employment Office, the largest number of layoffs at both locations are in software engineering positions, though other departments were impacted as well. This round of layoffs comes after layoffs of nearly 700 positions earlier this year, but Cisco is probably not done, as they stated in November of 2022 that they would lay off 4,000 employees around the world in the near future and aren't quite at that number yet.